everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be opening my Nadine West. So what this is, it's a clothing subscription for less than $20 a month. They send you some items, you keep what you want to keep, and you send back the rest. And yeah, they had a promotion going for $99 where they would send you 7 items for $99 and you either keep all 7 or send it all back. I'm not sure if that promotion is still going on, so you might want to check it out. But I'm going to go ahead and show you my shipment for this month, and I'm going to do a try on, and then we're going to talk about prices, and maybe I'll talk about prices while I'm sitting down now. So that way we're just going to be doing this sit down and then the try on. I think I'll do it that way. All right. So first, they always, let me get it out. They always send you an envelope here to send everything back or whatever you don't want to keep. They always send you a separate envelope, which is nice. And then they always send you an invoice here. And it just is a prepaid address label, if I can talk, an address label. Also on the back of that, it says like everything that they sent you and the prices. Okay. So I'm going to start with this little pack here. I've got a couple different bundles. So let me do a screenshot or a thumbnail. I always get those two words confused. All right. How's that? I don't know. We'll see later. All right. So let's go ahead and start with this. Now what I received was 2 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 dress, and 1 purse. I'm so excited about the purse, you guys. I haven't gotten a purse from Nadine West before, so I'm really excited about that. So let's go ahead and start with the bottoms. And very excited about these as well. So the first thing I received is a pair of jeans, and these are by Express. And what size are they? What size are they? What size are they? I hope they're not a size 2. Let's see. They are a size 2. I don't wear a size 2. No, it says waist 25. It says they're a size small. So I'm not sure what that means. They are pretty stretchy, so they are not, apparently not a size 2. So I don't know, waist size 25, not sure if those are going to fit or not, but I will definitely give them a try. But they are Express jeans, very cute, and these cost, the Express jeans, so if I were to keep them, they would be $41.99, which is a good deal for, you know, name brand jeans, in my opinion. So very nice. I can't tell if they're cropped or not. They almost look like they might be cropped, but you guys, I'm short, so who knows how they'll look on me. All right. Then I got another pair of pants, and these are like dress pants, and they're by the company Scene Mode. We get a lot of Scene Mode pants, and they feel like just stretchy polyester pants is what they feel like. They're straight leg, and they do have pockets, which is nice. So go ahead and show that to you, and then there's the back. And of course, I'm going to try everything on so you'll get a better look at these. But these pants are called the Sophia pants, and they are, it looks like $13.99. Not bad. Not bad at all for a pair of dress pants. All right. Cute. All right, let's move on to the tops and the dress. This is cute. So this is the first top. It's got like the, I don't know, what do they call that, you guys? A ruching? I'm not sure if that's the word I'm looking for or not. On the sleeves. on the shoulders. And it's just a cute, like, t-shirt type top that, you know, looks like it's going to be a little long. So great to wear with leggings. And it is by the company Lilac Bloom. Lilac Bloom. I haven't heard of this company yet, I don't think. This is called, let's see. I don't know which one it is. The brand TryOn and the brand Allie and Rob. Those are the two brands that they said they sent me. So perhaps it's a mistake. Lilac Bloom by Jennifer. Just trying to figure this out. So when this happens, you guys, I do go just to the website because the website has exactly what they sent you, pictures and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and just look at the website. I've got it open already. I'm just going to my order. And this is called the Ariella Top Tri-Mountain. And it is $29.99 if I were to keep it. So it is super soft and it is cute. So I do like it. Does it have something going on the bottom? I can't really tell from here. Let's see. I don't think so. Maybe it was just my imagination. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like just straight across on the bottom. We'll try it on and find out. All right, this is really cute too. This is a top by, who is this by? Allie and Rob. And this is called the Raina long sleeve top. And that is really cute too. I love this color. And the sleeves have these little ties. So it looks like they're, what do they call that? 3/4 inch sleeves or something. And very cute. Another shirt that you could wear with leggings. And then here is the dress. I can't say I'm a huge fan of the print to start with. It almost looks like an animal print, and I don't wear animal print ever, 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 ever. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like an animal print, but it's definitely not my color or my style, but I will try it on anyway. And here it is here. It looks like kind of a mid-length dress, I guess they call it. It's by Collective Concepts. And this dress is $23.99 if I were to keep it. So here is the back. Yeah, I can't say as I really, oh, look at the shoulders have a little bit of detail too. Yeah, I'm not much for the pattern because it does remind me too much of an animal print, and that's just not really my thing. Animal print, not a big fan. All right, so let's move on to, they sent me a purse in this shipment. I can't believe it. So this is a Olivia Bucket Shoulder Bag by French Connection. Wow, this is really nice. A really, really nice bucket bag. So, and it does say French Connection right there on it. And, oh, look at the inside. The inside is absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, this is really, really nice. And, I'm very impressed with this. It does have a lot of room in there, and it's very, very pretty. It looks like it might be adjustable, the strap. And of course, my dogs chose right now to bark. If you can hear them, they're downstairs, so it's not really that bad, but still, stop it, dogs. No barking. All right, so the bag is $46.99 if I were to keep it. And it is super cute. Now, I don't know if it's real leather or not. It doesn't say. The retail value, by the way, is $128. So that's the retail value of the bag, but they're not asking for that. They're asking again for $46.99. Thank goodness. So it's really, really cute. Let's see if it says what it's made out of. Just out of curiosity. 100% polyvinyl. And the lining is 100% polyester. So it is not leather, but it's super cute. I really like it a lot. And I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the try on portion of this video, and then, you know, I'm probably not gonna come back here and talk again because I've already told you the prices. I've already told you all about Nadine West. I do have a referral link in my description box, so if you want to try out Nadine West, use my referral link, and there's always some kind of deal going on. So either you get your first bag, your first month free or something. I'm not sure what their deal is right now, but check it out. And I will be right back with the try on portion. Okay, here's the first outfit. So I've got the purse, the handbag, very cute. I love it. And the black slacks. And the black slacks are a little short on me. I think they're supposed to be cropped, and you know, I'm pretty short, so you know, and excuse my feet. I don't have any socks or anything on. I really, really like the top. I think it's super cute. So here's the back of the top. So this is what the outfit looks like. So yeah, I like it a lot. I like the top. I don't know if I'm much for the slacks because they are a little on the short side. I love the handbag. As suspected, the express jeans do not fit, so those will be going back. So unfortunately, I will not be doing a try on with those. But let me go ahead and move on to the next, probably the next top. All right, hold on just a moment. All right, here's the next top. So here are the sleeves on it, very cute. This is pretty much a skin tight top. It does show every lump and bump that I have. So maybe with a cardigan or something on, you know, maybe it's a layering piece. It's kind of cute. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like this. So far the two tops and the handbag are thumbs up for me. All right, so let me try on the dress. Don't have high hopes for it. Again, it looks like an animal print, so not too sure about that. All right, so I will be right back. Okay, so as expected, I'm not much for the pattern of this dress. The cut of the dress is good, the length is good, but you know, without a belt, it just kind of hangs here, and so it definitely needs a belt. But again, for the pattern itself, I don't care for the pattern. I do like the pleating detail here. The sleeves are cute. They're a good length, but I just can't get past the pattern. All right, so I do have to disclose that Nadine West, they do send these clothes to me free for review, so I can kind of show you what sort of things they have available. So again, if you're interested in trying out Nadine West, please use the link in my description box and check out what deals they have going on right now. And yeah, I thank everyone so much, and please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece is. Thank you everyone, and have a great day. Bye.